John Teller was murdered. And the letters paint a vivid picture of who did it.
Next Tuesday.
Tara found some of JT's letters.
Find him. Bring him to me.
Have a bullet sample from the load.
You must be kidding.
If he gets caught, they'll kill him.
Guess maybe Tara did tell somebody.
What are you gonna do?
We gotta stop this. Otherwise, we lose everything.
Sons of Anarchy. All new. Next Tuesday at 10. Only on FX.